Have you addressed the social media and threatening messages posted in social media?
That hasn't been part of our work thus far.
At the state capitol this week, lawmakers questioned the Texas Child Mental Health Care Consortium. It is designed to identify distressed children and give them better access to care they need. The main revelation, there is not a lot of oversight or tracking of social media threats.
I understand how important that is. We do provide some information related to our services and have done some social media there, but kind of blanket social media, we're still kind of developing those type of services.
In depth tonight, KXAN's Jennifer Sanders shares what's happening in our children's schools to monitor online suspicious activity and the solutions others are proposing.
Most Instagram stories, TikTok videos, or a chat on apps like Discord usually seem pretty harmless at first glance. But dangerous threats and posts on these apps, like we saw earlier this past school year at local Central Texas school districts, are disrupting learning and mental wellness for students like Acacia Spradling.
It happens and nothing is being done, nothing is being said.
Spradling is using her voice to advocate for a better school monitoring system of online social media threats, because a seemingly small threatening post resulted in her needing inpatient psychiatric treatment.
They had pushed me and taken stuff out of my backpack and threw it under the bus.
She says online threats called her a clown because of her makeup. The anxiety and sadness caused by these threats got so bad, she was hospitalized for 2 weeks.
They started doing like social media mass texts, and they'd be like, well, who drove her to try and commit suicide?
Before more people cause harm to themselves or others, she suggests some solutions. First, she says students and teachers should speak up. Second, while resources are limited, she hopes school leaders track threats online.
If they follow those pages and like actually looked deep into like what they're posting, what they're saying on there, like it's not hard to just create an account and then look at somebody's story.
A Safe School Initiative report by the U.S. Secret Service and the Department of Education shows most school shooters claim they were victims of long-term bullying. And researchers at the Brookings Institution, a nonprofit public policy organization, found almost half of those who perpetrate K-12 shootings report a history of rejection and bullying. Spradling's mom says the change starts with monitoring social media at home, but with the recent mass shooting in Uvalde, it might be time for stronger legislation.
I am a person that's usually like, I don't need the government telling me what to do and stuff like that, but there's certain situations where yes, if we're going to make a change, it has to be some drastic measures.
Some local districts have turned to Gaggle to monitor students' online activity. The company's clients include Austin ISD, Round Rock ISD, and Eanes ISD. The CEO provided KXAN with data revealing incidents of threats of violence towards others has skyrocketed 209% since 2019. His staff is seeing hit lists and manifestos. For Texas schools, Gaggle sent 26,000 alerts so far this past school year. 4,000 of those were harassment and bullying, 13,000 for suicide and self-harm, 8,000 for indications of violence towards others. For every month. The Texas School Safety Center is the clearinghouse for safety and security information for all schools throughout the state. Center staff invited KXAN to its 2022 conference this week to see how they train educators, administrators, and school police to assess digital threats through public posts and pages. While school behavioral threat assessments have been mandated by the state since 2019, digital threat assessments are not.
It's not a part of the law. Could it be a part of the law and be a little more outward facing? It absolutely could.
Brian Clayson manages curriculum and instruction for the Safety Center. He says since most students are on social media, digital threat assessment training is a critical piece in school safety to prevent dangerous acts. He adds, though, it's hard to legislate an issue that starts at home.
Know what your kids are on, how they're using it, and understand the protections or the lack of protections that a social media app or an online video game provides or doesn't provide.
Jennifer Sanders, KXAN News.
Jennifer also spoke with a mental health officer and lead trainer for Katy ISD near Houston. He says tips are crucial because there's typically a hint that someone's going to commit a violent act. Although tracing tips is reactive, Officer Frank Muniz says it yields a high success rate, but only if those tips are specific, like having a screenshot of the user profile.
And I had the IP address, and within 3 minutes after that, maybe 5 minutes after that, I found out who I had the subscriber information from Comcast. I mean, it's just that fast if you know what you're doing.
Now, moving forward, capacity and staffing shortages will limit the effectiveness of some of these solutions, but there's broad agreement more training and monitoring needs to happen to tackle this problem statewide.